Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The JDF Coast Guard recently got 4 new ships. Now, in total, they have ordered 22 ships, and the first of the 22 have arrived in the country. Now, we are out by Port Royal, which is the home of the JDF Coast Guard. And this is where the ships will be, or most of the ships will be stationed. We tried to fly the drone, but it came up as an restricted area, so we weren't able to fly it. So we are going to give you an update on these new ships. Now, Jamaica has been spending a lot of resources or a lot of money to improve its ability to patrol and defend the island. Now, Jamaica won't be invaded by another country, but what happens is a lot of illegal activities, such as ships coming in, bringing in drugs or ships or human trafficking, takes place. So Jamaica has its official ports that is manned by the police and customs, and goods are inspected. But Jamaica is an island, so you have a lot of other places where ships can just pull up and they're quote unquote illegal ports, and there is no customs, no police, and nobody knows what comes into the country or goes out at those ports. So that is why it's very important for the JDF Coast Guard to monitor the island and intercept those boats that are coming in to illegal ports or leaving from these illegal ports. So the government has invested a lot in strengthening the JDF Coast Guard. Jamaica's maritime security has been significantly strengthened with the acquisition of 4 new high-speed surface interceptor vessels by the Jamaica Defence Force. These vessels, the first tranche of a planned 22, were officially handed over during a blessing ceremony at the Jamaica Defence Force Coast Guard base in Port Royal. The newly acquired vessels are Metal Shark 36 Fearless boats, designed and built by Metal Shark, a leading United States-based supplier of military and law enforcement watercraft. This acquisition stems from a 2023 partnership between the JDF and Metal Shark, under which the company was contracted to construct a total of 22 high-speed interceptor vessels for Jamaica. The vessels are expected to significantly enhance the operational capacity of the Coast Guard by improving its ability to detect, deter, and disrupt illicit activities such as drug trafficking and illegal fishing. They will also boost the readiness and responsiveness of the maritime, air, and cyber command, enabling faster and more effective responses to threats within Jamaica's territorial waters. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.